welcome to your weekend weather forecast. This weekend, we're still expecting foggy conditions along the western and the southern coast with morning fog over the central interior as well as the eastern parts of the country. Then we have a weak cold front sliding south of the country on Saturday. Behind this cold front, an onshore flow of air will bring some cloudy conditions with light showers over the southern parts of the country, but sunny and dry conditions expected over the rest of the country. We can see the cloudy conditions with light showers on Sunday morning still possible along the southern and the eastern coast. Foggy conditions will remain along the western and the southwestern coast, but otherwise we're expecting fine conditions across the country on Sunday. Taking a look at our rainfall on Saturday, foggy conditions with drizzle along the southern and the western coast. Into the evening, light showers possible along the coast of the Eastern Cape and the adjacent interior, but dry conditions for the rest of the country. On Sunday, we're still seeing drizzle with foggy conditions along the western and the southwestern coast. Morning showers still possible in parts of the Eastern Cape and along the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. And into the evening, a quick isolated thunderstorm also possible in parts of the western and the Eastern Cape, but dry conditions over the interior and the eastern parts. Taking a look at our winds on Saturday, northeasterly winds blowing light around the eastern coast, northwesterly winds blowing fresh over the western interior, but calm winds expected in and around Cape Town this weekend. Into Sunday, we're seeing easterly winds blowing fresh along the southern coast, with northeasterly winds picking up along the eastern coast and northwesterly winds blowing fresh yet again over the western interior. On Saturday morning, cold conditions expected over the central parts of the country, with Bloemfontein reaching a minimum of 10 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperatures over the western part of the country around 20 degrees Celsius. On Saturday afternoon, warm to hot across the country except over the southern parts, where temperatures will be in the lower 20s, but warming up to temperatures above 30 over parts of the Northern Cape, as well as in parts of Limpopo, and hot conditions in KwaZulu-Natal, with Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay reaching highs of 33. On Sunday morning, remaining cold over the central parts of the country, with Bethlehem reaching a minimum of 10, but temperatures around 20 still in the morning over parts of the Northern Cape. On Sunday afternoon, we're still seeing hot conditions in parts of the Northern Cape and across the rest of the country. Temperatures now above 30 expected over the northeastern areas, with Polokwane reaching a high of 32, as well as in Mbombela, but cooler conditions now in KwaZulu-Natal, remaining warm but a bit cooler than Saturday, with 27 in the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg, and mild conditions along the southern coast, with George and Gqeberha reaching highs of 23. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your weekend, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.